Long life. You don't die again.
No.
Come on, chicken are going the right way, you know, soldier.
So with all this turtle talk, do people eat turtles?
But they never eat it. So they can go to prison.
Oh, they're not allowed to here.
No,
Ah.
I need have no wild boar here.
Ah.
No wild boar, they not just molest them.
Really?
No, not the hummingbird,
Ah.
not the parrot.
I've never seen parrots here.
Yeah, man.
You have them too?
Yeah, man. No,
Really?
Yeah, with the rat, yeah, so sometimes they have to see, you know.
Oh yeah.
Then I kill with the rat. Then I kill with sometimes eat have we have here. I guess they don't have no happy to eat. The parrot then control it. The rat, man. They're not some parasite, you know, but they're nice. One stay up in the tree all the while. Burp, burp, burp.
What color are they?
Green, red, green and gold. You have the see them too. Me have 2 birds here. But no one again then come, but me don't know if them are going to come when you're there. Rasta bird them too. Red, green and gold.
Green bird there, you know. Green bird there too. I must go get that big leg, the muscle.
Oh, do I? Am I
Get
the guest of honor this night?
So do you go get that big leg?
Which one are you gonna get?
Which one?
Yeah.
The one there.
Okay.
That's the one.
Oh, it's just looks
I'm
delicious.
gonna go get this
My man,
big leg.
that Kentucky fried chicken business. Yeah. Never put some seasoning and water, scallion, thyme, onion.
Whoa, really?
Onion.
I thought it was done. We got more to go.
Oh man, I'm not going in there yet. Not now in there yet to nice it up, brother.
All right, brother.
Yes, brother.
Big lid.
Big leg. Big leg. Big leg.
Big lid. Oh. This is definitely different than KFC.
Yes, sir. Watch it now.
This is not KFC at all.
No.
That means the flavor. That means the flavor.
No.
Tasty. What you gotta do?
This is the next level. You always surprise me.
Yeah, proper. Why?
The classic.
Oh,
Moko's fave. A little bit of Maggi chicken noodle mix. Why
chicken
not?
mix, brother.
Chicken for chicken.
Chicken for chicken. Right. Anybody don't want the Maggi, then get different seasoning.
Yeah.
Right.
Keep it more ital if they
Yeah,
want.
keep it more ital. When you play like that, you want you get ital.
What? I'm busy, man.
Right to the man I work.
Hello, sweet potato?
Yeah, man.
Ha! Well, you're really surprising me on this one. I thought it was just going to be a basic fried chicken, but you're really kicking it to another level, your own style.
Mm.
And these are another really versatile
Sweet
vegetable. These
potato.
ones, yeah. You grow these too?
Mm-hmm.
You have them
Well, no. March and April me have lots, man. March, April, May, June. June me have a whole heap and the water come fuck it up now.
in- Oh man.
Kids are like fuck it. So right now,
Well, the river came up too high?
yeah man.
Oh.
So I'm go plant back some more again and see what I can do little ground. Some more farm there. Yes.
Up to
Something that we're going to pepper.
nice.
Hold it.
Okay, my turn. Oh my god. I might have a new favorite. No. No.
I have to go in the bathroom with people.
Can we pick one right now? So on that thing with Scotch bonnets that you already have, there's just no green ones, you said?
No, green one.
So you want to pick a green one because they're less spicy?
No, chop the pot more than the right one. You want the flavor more?
Okay.
The night, yes, with reggae music in my soul.
No, man, it's a pepper tree. Man. The pepper them pan there, well like a pepper man.
Oh yeah, beautiful.
Yeah man, it's the right one and too.
Oh.
Pepper tree this. From we start this year, you know. The riper one, nicer one. And then, nice one.
It's good.
All of them are pepper Matthew.
Yeah.
Full. And this, a plum,
Oh,
gold plum.
dang it.
I'm going to use it make natural juice on island here.
That would be a new one too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, plum juice could be a new one. That's
Yeah,
awesome.
man. Gold plum. You never met picture of it before?
No, that's why we got to do another herbs of the yard tour.
Yeah, man. I have a lot around here, no, Baba. I have enough around here. I have enough scratch bandage around the back there. Fresh, green, nice.
The final touch.
Yeah. No, me not take it
But
out.
not this time.
No, me just want to just see it in the pot.
Just a little bit. So you're going to pull it out too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How we can't eat this food, brother?
I don't know. I like it spicy. I spent some time in spicy countries.
In the middle of the night, yes, with reggae music in my soul. I've got to praise Jah. Oh, well,
Move it, breadfruit. Cool.
Yes, Matt.
Yes, sir.
Boat land, you know. The boat land. Clean movie this. Move dog.
It's our most deserved meal of all.
Yes,
We worked hard for it. Like, this is a different than a French fried chicken. This is Moko's version. This is definitely MFC.
Yes, sir. You have food over there?
We have one dumpling.
I don't have food.
No.
It's ready.
We waited a long time and it's finally here.
Yeah. The boat finally land.
Finally.
Yeah.
So can you tell me what else we have in here? We got some bonus vegetables.
But right now,
Mommy,
we
I
have,
don't know.
we have pumpkin. We have sweet potato.
Mm-hmm.
Shit. We have sweet potato and banana and boiled banana.
Well, banana boiled green ones,
Mm-hmm.
like we had the other day.
Yeah.
But you can see this is not your average French fried chicken. This is a very different French fried chicken. And I propose calling it Mocha Fried Chicken, MFC
Yeah.
for short. But you're the boss, you name it whatever you want.
Yeah, man. TSC, man. Fried chicken.
Tasty fried chicken with you. Or tasty.
TSC.
Tasty
It's a
fried chicken.
tasty. Tasty chicken. This tasty.
Jamaican tasty.
Mm.
Rasta Moko tasty. Rasputin tasty.
Mm. It feels really weird doing this shot every time where you want to look at the camera and go, yeah, it's so good, it's obvious, but that's what it is.
It's the universal language.
It's the universal language. Wow, amazing.
That will be good, you there.
What? Daddy?
No, take it now.
Dude.
Bless up.
Yes, boss.
Yes, man, bless up.
Fantastic.
Yeah, man.